So if you find yourself missing the music app on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, you can actually go ahead and install it either from the Google Play Store or from the Galaxy Store. So whichever you want, I'm gonna use the Galaxy Store. So just go there and tap on the search function and search for Samsung Music. It's going to be the exact same app whether you download it from the Galaxy Store or from the Google Play Store. So find it, this is what it looks like, and install. It's as simple as that. Once installed, you'll now have the music app in the app screen. If you want to, you can actually move it into the Samsung app folder and leave it there. There. Let's add the Samsung Music app. There you go. Thanks for watching and good luck.